How's it going, everybody? What it is, bro? Here we are. We back, bro. This is just going to be a quickie. That's what she said. We got Bowman 2024 blaster box. Last time we opened one blaster box and hit an on-card auto. Can we do it again? We also got a box of Flair Ultra Matriarchs to open up later. But here we go. Oh, we gotta say a prayer one time to the card gods. Okay, let's go. The winner of the Victor Wembanyama giveaway has happened. If you were the winner, here is my information once again, so that way you can get a hold of me and let me know what your address and all that is. It's BoG777 was the winner of 5 Victor Wembanyama rookies. All right, you guys ready? Let's go. Whoa, wrong switchblade, bro. That's the one I used to comb my hair. You know how I do, you guys. Let's try that again. Switchblade on. All right, there we go. Let's see what we can get out of this box. Find the game's future stars. You got rare, retail exclusive green parallels. I can't remember if you only get like one a box or something like that. You can get autos and all sorts of other inserts. All right. We're ready. Oh, let's go. You gotta rip it open like a madman. Gotta smell the box for luck. And then don't forget to recycle. Okay. 12 cards per pack. 6 packs per box. And this is the first pack. Let's go. Good luck. Oh, yeah. You got to smell the inside of that pack, bro. It's like magic. We got Austin Wells. I don't know why. Justin Verlander. Ellie De La Cruz. What is up? Where's my sleeves at? You always got to sleeve up your Ellie De La Cruz. Just like that, baby. Boom! Sleeved up, ready to go. We got an Ellie on the board. Okay, back to the pack. We got Jazz Jr., Mookie Betts, Riley Green. Oh, we got our Chrome. Dude, is this the one we got last time, bro? It looks awfully dude, that looks awfully suspicious, bro. You're like, why are you even doing this? I don't know. Yeah, look at that, bro. Same card. Are we going to get the same cards? Maybe we'll get the same auto. That would be weird. But we got Sebastian Walcott. Not numbered. Then we got Gabriel Gonzalez. Pettis. Oh, that's his Bowman first, buddy. Rockefort. That's a weird name. Oh, we got an Anthony Huzo. Bowman's first Chrome. And Jimenez. First Bowman. And it's also in Chrome. I'm not going to go through all the old ones just to see. We'll know real quick, like, it's something suspicious, bro. Okay. Christopher Morel Mushroom. Gunnar Henderson. Pete Crow Armstrong. All 8 years of him. Doesn't he look like a little kid? You can tell him I said that too. I don't care, bro. We got Michael Harris, the second. Corbin Carroll. Oh, what do we got here, bro? Oh, it's numbered 370 or 7. Oh, way off, bro. Try that again. 315 of 499. Nice. Of Mr. Ramirez. Yes, I'll sleeve it up. We got Aiden Miller, pinball game. Prospect power up. Dude, what I like is there's a lot of chrome in here, bro. We got George Lombard Jr. Dude, Bowman first. He's pretty high up on the ranking for the prospects. That's a good card right there. We got Dunno Walton. Okay, back to chrome. We got Salas and Brendan Maya. May it be good, may it be not. All right, third pack. Dude, I just had to go buy something to open, bro. It was just one of those kind of weeks, if you know what I'm saying. Oh, Shoei Itani sighting in the house. Thank you, Shoei, for showing up. Oh, Aaron Judge, what is going on, bro? Is this real life? Well, I was going to say, don't even say Paul Skeens next. I almost lost it. We got Prestier, Rafaela rookie, Devers, Chris Bryant, and on to chromes. We got Mayer. He's in the top 100, baby. Then we got Celestin. We got Carlos Silva Bowman first, dude. That's our auto right there, bro. That's what it looks like, and then that's what it looks like when they blank it out, bro. Trey Morgan. All right, here we go. Back to chrome. Garcia. Bowman first. And Ryan Clifford. Dude, there's got to be at least the same amount of chromes as non-chromes. There could even be more. I'm just not good at counting because I went to Newport. Oh, you had to have been there. Tatis Jr. Evan Carter, rookie. Taylor, rookie. Pete Alonso. I heard he turned down a 3-year deal with the Mets. Bryce Harper. Oh, dude, it's numbered to 50. Here we go. Oh, Walker Jenkins, let's go. Yes, sir. Holy smokes, you guys. Out of a blaster, bro. Rising Infernos. Walker Jenkins to 50. Yes, sir. And we got our green. What a pack, bro. Oh, dude, that is freaking mint. Oh, yeah, buddy. Damn, dude. Ugh. That's how we do, bro. Going all up 2025. Dude, they're going to have to give me my own day. The government, bro. There's going to be like, today's a national holiday. It's Blue Frog Day. He pulled a card to 50. Thank you, sir. Thank you for showing up. Walker Jenkins. Oh, man. What a day, bro. Holy smokes. We're giving cards away and we're hitting cards, bro. We got our green Huzo and it's first Bowman, bro. That's double, quadruple good, huh? Super spectacular card. Dude, this box is lit. We got Elkins, Bowman first, Wilson, Phillips. Nah, it's not Wilson Phillips. Then we got Bentley. Whoa, did I miss something? James Wood. Weird. Sound like I'm a magician, bro. I'm pulling cards out of a hat, bro. We got Benitez. That's his name, bro. Bowman's first. And Montes. Chrome. Oh, dude, we got 2 packs left. What a freaking day, bro. That makes me want to open that box up later. I got to eat first, though, because, dude, watching one of my last videos, I had a freaking energy drink and no food. Bro, my hands were like... And I do not want that to happen again. Jung-Hoo Lee, rookie. We got Kyle Tucker. We got Encarnacion Strand. I know that's not how you say it, but it's how I say it. He's a rookie. We got Blake Snell. Curtis Mead, rookie. Vladdy. Okay, here we go. Oh, dude, Jason Dominguez. Whoo. Somebody fan me off, bro. We are on fire. Jason Dominguez, rookie. Super rookie of the year favorite. Fan me off of this car, bro. That's the back. Yes, sir. Thank you, Jason Dominguez, for showing up to the game. For that, we're going to put you in a soft sleeve. Yes. Oh, my word. We need more stands, bro. Okay, where were we? This pack right here. This stack right here. We got Josh Riviera. Bowman's first. Bryce Matthews. Bowman, first Bowman. We got DePaula. Okay, we got 2 cards left. And they're chrome, bro. We got... We're just going to call him Ralphie. He's like, huh? Did you say Ralphie? We got first Bowman of Morales. All right, let's go, bro. Last pack. Here we go. Oh, may this be something else, bro. Dansby Swanson. Jordan Westberg, rookie. We got Slade's rookie. Sal Frelick's rookie. Clayton Kershaw. Gavin Williams, rookie. And then back to the top 100. Amador. Then we got first Bowman, Tejeda. Ooh, Bowman's first. Ortiz. Oh, then we got Count Monte Cristo. Montgomery Ward. You're like, that's none of that. I don't care, bro. Then we got Mike Bovee. A Borboev, something like that, bro. In the chrome. And we got Elijah Green in the chrome. So this box, we did not hit an auto, but we did hit a first Bowman of this guy right now. Jason Dominguez, Ellie De La Cruz, but the Walker Jenkins to 50, bro. Chrome, let's go. All right, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and please subscribe. It'd be awesome to hit that 1,000 so I can start giving away everything. All right, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one, bro. Peace.